And here I am in the Alentejo region of Portugal, and it is an absolutely beautiful place. It's north of the Algarve, so you've still got Algarve weather, but without the thousands and thousands of vans that are down there. This week I've been mostly recovering, and I'm now over my cold and my foot is better, so go me, I can get back to normal now. I'm rather pleased about that. A few questions that people ask me. I get emails quite frequently, so I'm going to try and answer a couple of questions whilst showing you a bit about what I've been up to this week. One of the main questions actually is, what do I do? What do I get up to? A lot. I do spend a lot of time making videos, and I spend a lot of time editing videos, but there are other things that I get up to as well. For example, I have been having a go this week at juggling.
Watch me, just follow every move, touch me, let me know you want it too, don't have what you need, but I got what you want, babe, no we don't have to leave.
As you can see from that, it was a pretty failed attempt at juggling, but I did try it. I can now juggle one item with one hand, so go on, it's a good start surely. Ted has kept himself pretty busy. He's not only learned to jump onto car roofs, not sure that's such a good thing, but he seems to enjoy it, and he's also been a menace in the water, but he is loving it. And as I said before, it's one of the reasons we come back to this lake a lot, or stay near lakes, is because Ted is obsessed with water. Another question that is frequently asked is, what do I eat? Well, I eat the same as I do anywhere, and I will do some more videos on food at some point, but here's a little clip of something new that I tried. Chips in a ridge monkey. I've just been given this amazing tip that you can make chips in a ridge monkey, so I'm going to give this a go.
Slowly, but don't wait for it to long. Just hold me.
Look at that.
We're right where we belong.
So we shall see how these turn out. Now, who can guess where I got this information from? Answers on a postcard. Another thing we tried this week was tropical pizza. Now you're probably going to say, that's disgusting. Actually, it was amazing. This is 4-cheese pizza with banana, pineapple and cinnamon, and it was absolutely incredible, but very sickly. And here tonight we are making pizza with banana, pineapple and cinnamon, as well as lots and lots of cheese. Maybe lots and lots of cinnamon. That's yours, mate. You're right with plenty of that, yeah?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah,
man.
okay. Lots of cinnamon. This is going to be an epic. That might be a bit too much cinnamon. You can have more as well. There you go.
I don't want that bit of the banana. Like, don't eat that bit.
You're so fussy. It's the
Yeah.
beep of the banana. Right.
No, yeah, but it is. You know that.
So these are going to go in the oven, and we are going to have a feast. And here is the final version. I'm losing the pizza. That's what happens when you try and video cutting pizza. But look at that. That is a proper tropical pizza. Another thing that's frequently asked is, in the evenings, what do we get up to once it gets dark? We sit around a fire normally. More often than not, we meet up with some nice people on the road and we sit around a fire, have a few drinks, have a laugh and have a cracking evening. And this is what we did earlier in the week. The daytimes are packed with things like finding Vodafone shops. Well, you've got to be online. So everyone, I'm on my way to find a Vodafone shop at the Albufeira shopping centre, and I can get myself a SIM card and have some data and get this video sorted for you guys. So let's go and find this Vodafone shop and hope they speak a bit of English. One of the things this week that has been a massive success for me is learning to use the drone properly. So customising the settings and what have you, I've managed to go some serious distance with my little DJI Spark drone, and I'm going to show you a little bit of footage now which I took over this lake, and the drone went a fair way and I was pretty brave, but it came back, so it was all good. Check this out. I'm going to take this opportunity of a beautiful day to show you some of the true beauty of the Alentejo region of Portugal. See what you make of this. I hope you've enjoyed this short video this week. Obviously, because I haven't been so well, it has been a short video, but I'll try and make up that for next week. And also, thank you very much to my patrons for your kind support, and also for those who have purchased for Ted actually this week off the Amazon wish list. Very kind indeed. Until the next time, see you soon.